So we've got some furniture from Aldi. They've got some garden furniture set on, and we're going to put this together. So we've got a 2-seater and 2 single-seaters, and then we also have a table as well. Now, we've got 2 packs here, 1 pack here, and another pack here. Now these legs they're specifically designed for the table, and the reason I know that is because of the way the ends are put together. So we'll get this out in a second, but we know that these ones are designed for the chairs because they have a 3-pin stud which matches up to the bottom of the chairs. Now with Aldi, they have advised that the front legs are separate from the rear legs. So here we've got the rear legs, and we know that these are the rears because on the top it's got 4, a little sticker with 4, and then on here the front legs, it's got a little sticker on top that says 3. And here we've got the screws. They are all exactly the same for the table, all the chairs and all the legs. We've got your washers, and then you also have a spare washer and a spare screw, and it comes with the Allen key as well. So everything you need to assemble this kit. There's a little groove in the top of each leg, and that is just to help you align and make sure you put the legs the right way. I think it is the rear legs appear more at an angle than the front ones. So the front ones seem a bit more straight up, the rears seem to be a bit more at an angle. That's the only difference I can see why. Now obviously these companies are going to make these things as cost effective as possible, so it might also be that maybe there's more structural integrity in the rear legs than the front legs. I don't actually know, but the only difference that appears, as I said, visual difference, is that the rear legs are more slanted. These also come with these screw plastic bombs as well to help you stabilize the legs if the chair's on uneven ground. We've obviously got Indian sandstone here, which, as it's a natural material, is genuinely uneven, so it's a great little addition that it's got these little legs on it. So we'll flip this one over and see how it is. So overall I really like it. As you can see, hopefully you can see there's a rock in the chair. As I said, this particular material is quite uneven, so we've got these legs. What I can do is just wind them down like that side, and then again at the back, just wind that down. You might, if it's aesthetically, you might want to wind the back one down more so than the front, so they look a bit more even. But that now has taken the rock out. My only concern is, over time, these do look quite flimsy. They don't look the strongest, so how long that lasts for, I don't know. As I said, because these are natural stone, we've kind of got a layer, and then it goes down a layer, and then it goes down a layer. Funny enough, that particular slab is the worst of them all. So once I find a place to position it, who knows. But so far it does seat really comfortable. I'm not taking the sheeting off, but it looks like you can take the covers off and wash them. So funny enough, Aldi do say do not wash the covers, even though they do unzip and come out. Don't wash them. You can wipe them down, that's about it. So yeah, stuck on that one. But hit the subscribe button. So it doesn't come, this particular one doesn't come with any cover. I don't think any of them do. When I purchased this, I looked at the reviews and a number of people were saying about pins dropping and not even sat on it yet. And funny enough, there is a pin there. Now usually they're buried right in there, hopefully you can see that. So you wouldn't have thought that would occur, but as I said, manufacturing costs are relatively low on these types of items, so a bit disappointed that's there. So definitely look out for those, especially if you've got kids, but anyone in general. Okay, so hopefully you can see this, but what we've got is we've got a front and a rear leg. Now the rear leg definitely has more of a slant on it. Now it's difficult to show, but this is a direct top view, and as you can see they are both off. And not only that, the front leg is also slightly longer by about 2 centimeters, so that'll be why there's a difference. So definitely make sure it's worth getting the correct leg in the correct place. Okay, so just in the process of doing the final chair, we've got a bit of an issue. So on the front leg, it rounded off a second nut, and I couldn't work out for the life of me why it kept rounding off the top of the nut. But now that I've looked in there, where they've welded it, it's actually gone across the thread, so the nut won't go all the way in. So we've got a bit of an issue there, so I'm gonna have to call Aldi about that. So annoying. Overall I think it will be okay, but obviously they're designed with 3 threads and I want to use all 3 just for extra stability and support. Because the leg pushes out, these are the ones that are going to be on the most have the most tension and stress, whereas this one is just more of a support. But again, we just want all 3, so I'm gonna have to call Aldi about that, see what they're gonna do. I know these are sold out online, so we'll see what they come back with. Other than that, the other ones went in perfectly fine. We just got the table to do last. Finished, the table's done, the cushions are on, and it's actually been about 1.5 years since I purchased this. And the honest question is that you're looking for, would I have purchased this again knowing the quality? And the answer is yes, I would. It's not a most premium item out there. There is some slight defects. There's some things that are a bit cheap, but you can tell. But overall, they do look quite well. The legs, they're a metal frame. They've got a nice wooden look to them. What I would say that they need to adjust is these legs underneath, as you can see here, do need to be adjusted, and perhaps have an anti-lock or anti-twist screw on it to prevent them from twisting, because unfortunately I have managed to lose one. But other than that, absolutely, yeah, it's a good buy. So there you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you like. Please consider subscribing and drop me a comment down below.